already got 15, 20. That was quick, boy. Well, that was like 2 minutes. Oh, not even 1 minute, huh? That's what the other one, line counter. Line counter. One. Let's go. That's good. 17, 18. 18, huh? Easy, bro. 1 minute, we got 34. Oh, I freaking hit the wheel. Got him. What? There we go. Dang, you didn't even strip that one, huh? You changed it, huh? I was just holding it. Lucky guy. Nice one? Alright. Probably like 14, 15. 100 pounds. Ooh, more sturdy. I'm gonna get that one. I'm gonna trouble this thing. Big school. Look at that. Line the water. That. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Nope. Nice one. Nice one. Nice one. Not that bad. The same size as mine. Bam! Didn't take long. I've only been here for like 5 minutes. Boom! Nice. Okay. Ooh, look at that. Yeah, LFC can. Yeah. Yeah, that's so. The guy fish with YPV. What? What? Yep. Oh shit. Oh, is that? GoPro, start recording. Is that 30? 30. Didn't even see it on the screen, huh? Yeah. Out here, like, they not too deep. They call it like a bottom. We got 4 already. He's not bad, huh? It's like Delta limit for 2. Gave me hope to keep stripping when they're. Oh shit! Perfect timing. There's more. Yeah, that might be either the other guy too or he. Nice.
Oh.
All the same size, huh?
Yeah, they're all the same size. Schoolies. Big schoolies though, not Barge Canal.
Okay.
Oh shit!
Really nice one.
This one's
How
hella
many color
nice.
you got?
I'm at 40.
Okay.
Oh, I see him. Yeah.
Yeah, I was at 35 on that one.
That's 25. Or the blue one. You see it 15.
Swung back in the net for that one.
Don't know.
I just get the net out. Ooh, damn. Same size.
Yeah.
They're quite really good.
It's a little bigger.
Right, hey, good job, bro. That. New, the French line. Maybe they just like that one.
Hello? Yeah. You had a dream that I caught 5? Only 5? We'll see.
We just got 5 right now.
We just got the 5th one right now. I just reeled it up. Yeah. That's hella fun. Alright. He's my brother. Feel like Dennis is like, dude, I just had a dream. You caught 5.
And we just got 5, huh?
Yeah.
That's weird.
There we go. Dad Outdoors guide service. He'll make sure you get some fish. Woo!
Someone's gonna get hooked up.
Yeah.
Hooked up, not gay.
This is
Got him! Let's go double! Double. That's one time. Come on, me next, me next. So put this on video, double hookup. You was 30?
35.
Okay. Damn. Nice one.
Same size. Feels a little heavier than earlier though.
Come on, me. Double. I feel it. Damn, look at what you got.
Everything's
Yeah, that's one. Ooh, man, you did it on your own.
Yeah. This one actually
Hit, huh? When you strip it, hit, huh?
yeah.
There you go.
Yo. Yeah. Dad Outdoors guide service.
Got him. Oh, yes.
Oh. That was good, man.
Fish stick.
Come on, double.
Yeah, that's fine.
Trying to make it look professional. Is it?
It's like 15, 16.
Not bad. Nice fish.
Yeah.
Oh, save that. That should look hella clean.
15, 16.
Shallow.
Yeah. Got him.
Got him?
Yes. Got him.
Nice.
Oh, 25.
I'm at 30. 30 right now. Oh, yeah.
Can't tell. Hey, the smallest.
Yeah, good
It's okay.
eating.
We want Delta. Button. Hey.
35.
Two more to get a limit.
Hold down. Good deal.
Hả?
Hold down. Look.
Cái tiếng hô đó.
Yeah.
Cái đĩa đó, cái đĩa hô.
Yeah. They're down there though.
Damn, like a big one, bro. Hell yeah.
I just said it.
Ôi, this.
Đánh như hồi chia đầu.
Oh! Back looking up. This guy's stripping. We got a new strip over here, Alex.
That
Guy service.
night service.
$5 a day. Damn, that looks like a nice one, bro. Look at that. Professional stripper.
Ooh,
Killing it right here.
too easy. Too easy. Damn.
Nice.
Ooh.
Hell yeah.
Got him?
Yep.
Oh, damn.
This shit on right in front of their mouth there and hit it. I was 30.
Yeah, I'm at 30.
One y'all, huh?
Nice. DD, huh?
Deal.
Damn.
Right. Limit out one person, bro. See, they got a limit. Got him.
Got him?
Yep. Back then, huh?
Damn.
I went to 30 and got those the small one on top.
Hell yeah.
Ooh.
Man, I choked it.
Different style. Bigger to go like this. A sensei hold like this, bigger.
On the wall.
Okay, this should be good. Like this stuff.